all. In today's session, we are going to talk about the two isotropic sources of equal amplitude and of any phase difference. Till now, we have considered the three cases. This is our fourth case. Now, consider the current phase difference between the sources be alpha, and then the total phase difference will be. So, if we are considering the phase difference between the sources is equal to alpha, then here your psi, that is phase difference, will be beta d cos of phi plus alpha. Now with the center of the array as a reference, so we are considering our center of array is nothing but the reference. So what will happen in this condition, the total field, we are going to add both the fields over there. So here the total field E is equal to E0 e raised to j psi by 2 plus E0 e raised to minus j psi by 2, which comes to E0 cos of psi by 2. So here to E0, I'll put the value of psi over here, which is nothing but the beta d cos of psi, so 5 plus alpha divided by 2 here. So we have got this kind of now let us normalize this particular field. So I am considering 2E0 is equal to 1, which is nothing but the normalization or normalized field I am getting over here. So En is equal to cos of beta d cos of phi plus alpha divided by 2. So this is nothing but the normalized field when you are having two isotropic sources of equal amplitude and of any phase shift. So that phase shift we are considering here as alpha. Now putting the different values of the alpha, you can calculate like 0 degree, 180 degree, 90 degree. We can obtain the results of case 1, 2 and 3 respectively. If 0 degree, that will be the case 1. If you are putting it as a 180 degree, your case 2 will be verified, and if you are putting 90 degree, this will be your case 3. ठीक है. Now you can say that this particular equation gives more general expression for two isotropics with any phase difference alpha. So this is nothing but the case 4. Now let us stop here. Thank you.